Hi, I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a heart balloon. So, in order to make a heart balloon, you need a red balloon. Now, I inflated this balloon all the way to the end, but just before tying the balloon, we have to take some air out of the balloon. Guys, this is really important. Don't tie the balloon just after inflating it, okay? Take some air out. So, I'm taking some air out. One more time. Now, when you touch the balloon, you have to feel that it is soft. Now you can tie the balloon. So, in order to make the heart, I'm going to make two bubbles at the two ends of the balloon. And I'm going to use my finger and thumb just like this. Okay? So, squeeze those two bubbles and twist the balloon 2 or 3 times. Now take one of the bubbles and pass it through to the other side. Just like this. I'm doing it because sometimes when you give this balloon to a child, they will play with these bubbles and the balloon will come undone. Now I want to make this kind of shape. But of course, if I will leave now the balloon, it won't look like a heart anymore. So let me show you how can you keep this shape in the balloon. I'm catching those two parts together with my thumb and those fingers. So here you have this loop now. With your other hand, you will now squeeze this loop very tight, okay? You have to take the air out of this loop and bring it back to this part of the balloon. Just like this. And then I will leave this hand at once. Let's do it 2 or 3 more times. Now this pinch here will give you the heart shape. Now I want to show you a common mistake that I see all the time in my classes. Some people pinch this part here and they do it right, but then when they have to leave this hand only, they do something like this. Okay? And then you will get this kind of shape. The right thing to do is to pinch this part of the balloon, but then leave only one hand. Congratulations, you have a heart! So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check my website. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.